Hello and welcome back for my final More Report Trust proposal for today, Wednesday the 5th of July, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. I'm going to look at gold, and this gold chart has basically consolidated the last couple of days. You could argue that that is actually a positive candlestick. This closing above the previous day's high, which is Tuesday's high yesterday, makes that a bullish engulfing candle. But looking at the strength of the downtrend, momentum indicators, I'm just not convinced that is a buying opportunity or buying signal. Again, also looking at the reaction of the market today, sort of finding resistance at yesterday's high and rolling over, or around yesterday's high and rolling over. Not convinced that is a signal to suggest it's going to be a big buying opportunity. I still think that there's going to be a big pressure put on that key May low, and that key May low is 12.1380. You've broken that old uptrend. That old uptrend is the basis of support, which is also in addition to the 144-day moving average, which is also a basis of resistance. Sorry, that old uptrend is a basis of resistance, and as is that 144-day moving average. But looking at the momentum indicators, they are sort of falling away. It is putting pressure on the downside. Yes, you're sort of little bit, you could argue, towards oversold, but I think that it just suggests that we are going to get a test of that May low, and exactly how gold reacts at that May low, I think, will be key to the outlook in the coming weeks, because that is a big level that, if it were to be broken, that is a massive level, because that would complete a double top pattern as well. Put serious pressure on these supports here from January and March lows, 1180 and 1195, and I think that it would be a considerable breakdown. But for now, it is just holding on, but I think we're going to get further pressure in due course. You look at the hourly chart and you can see it's just a consolidation. The RSI is just basically unwound towards 60 on the hourly. MACD lines have unwound to neutral, rolling over. Stochastics have already rolled over. And just the move today again just suggests that is a resistance overhead that is remaining in place, and it could well mean that we put pressure back on 12.1380. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you next time. Thank you.